Hi, I'm Karthik Aryan.
Hi, I'm Kiara Advani, and you're watching us on Bollywood Hungama with Faridoon. Keep on watching.
डोनाल्ड ट्रंप के ट्वीट और चुड़ैल के फीट दोनों उल्टे होते हैं. With Elon Musk around, Donald Trump's tweets may be back, and so is Manjulika. Pleasure having you back with us on Bollywood Hungama, Kiara and Karthik.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So the best part is that you look far more relaxed now. Pandemic में आप बहुत स्ट्रेस में रहते थे.
कभी?
During धमाका, I think he was very stressed out.
I don't know, it happens maybe to a lot of actors कि वो धीरे धीरे अपना एक कंफर्ट लेवल पाते हैं एक स्टेज पे. आई थिंक इन करियर इन लाइफ तो शायद से वो आपने मेरे को देखा है शुरुआत से फ्रॉम पंचनामा डेज टू नाउ टू धमाका टू सोनू टीटू टू नाउ दिस भूल भुलैया 2. तो आई थिंक वो एक आई होप कि हर एक्टर की ऐसी स्टेजेस आती हैं. एंड पहले मैं शायद से ज़्यादा फिजिटी भी हुआ करता था, ज़्यादा मे बी आई यूज टू थिंक अ लॉट ऑल्सो. अभी थोड़ा सा आई थिंक आई एम मोर रिलैक्स्ड एंड दैट आई हैव ऑल्सो नोटिस्ड कि ऐसा कुछ मे बी इट्स द ट्रेलर वर्क बिकॉज ट्रेलर इतना अच्छे से शायद से लोगों ने एक्सेप्ट भी किया है. तो मे बी दैट्स द रीज़न. धमाका के टाइम पे भी हुआ था बट इसमें एक वो कमर्शियल वाइब बहुत ज़्यादा आ रही है. एंड आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर सेइंग गुड थिंग्स अबाउट द फिल्म एंड द ट्रेलर एंड ऑल ऑफ अस इन्वॉल्वड इन द ट्रेलर. सो इट ऑटोमेटिकली वो रिलैक्स कर देता है आपको. एंड तो शायद से वो ट्रांसलेट हो रहा है.
Okay, so Kiara, I think it looks like a very fine character for you. I think we haven't really seen a lot in the promo. I think the film must be having a lot more. Something to dig your feet into.
I think this is that kind of genre where you can't reveal everything. You don't want the suspense elements to be outed. But it's interesting that the whole journey, the storyline itself is so exciting and interesting. It's a thrilling, entertaining, humorous horror comedy. So I think it's got all the elements to make you, I think it's an engaging watch because as a read it was very engaging, and even while we were shooting it was so interesting. And yeah, it is there. I think even as a character, as a commercial character, there are a lot of moments which kind of give you that let you like that thrill, and also let you like sink your teeth into it and just get completely into it. I mean, I can't see, this is the thing, I can't give away those scenes which because I can't reveal the plot line, but I think those were the moments that even made me say yes to the film. To put it in that way.
But I'm sure
also, I want to add to this कि इस ट्रेलर को इतना सब कुछ दिखाते हुए भी इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो दिखाई नहीं है.
Yeah.
So it looks like कि इसमें काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो देख रहे हैं हम लोग, लेकिन when you watch the film a lot of things will come out.
जो है वो नहीं है और जो नहीं है वो है.
मतलब बहुत कुछ है जो you will see once the film comes out. तो कई बार ऐसा होता है ना कि पूरी फिल्म की स्टोरी दिखा देते ट्रेलर में. वो इसमें बिल्कुल नहीं है. If that is the expectation कि वो और भी बहुत चीज़ें आने वाली हैं इसके अंदर.
I think वो important है because I think trailer should provoke interest and intrigue you rather than I think revealing almost everything. But जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा है क्यारा, because आपको भी आप दोनों को मतलब मैं आपकी पहली फिल्म से देखा हुआ है. So वो जिस तरीके से एक आप जब हम आपसे मिलते हैं तो आप बड़े शांत सी और सुंदर सी आप दिखती हैं, लेकिन when we see certain
लेकिन है नहीं
when we see certain of नहीं है भी, शांत भी है, सुंदर भी है, लेकिन सर्टन परफॉर्मेंसेज में जो है वो जिस तरीके का एक एलिमेंट ऑफ वोल्केनो फटता है आपका फिल्म, वो सरप्राइज करता है. आई थिंक वो दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड न्यूज़ फॉर एनी एक्टर व्हाटसोएवर. और मुझे लगता है कि ये जो किरदार इस तरीके का है उसमें आपको बहुत स्कोप मिला होगा. तो वो आपने जो एक एलिमेंट ऑफ इंटरनलाइजेशन मुझे लगता है कि ज़रूरी है आर्टिस्ट के लिए, वो कितना आपके लिए एक इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोसेस था इस फिल्म में पर्टिकुलरली.
In this film, I think it's more about like the energy of the characters and the situations, and especially comedy jab ho raha hai, it's the situation that's really funny. So as an actor, I think just to be in that moment and to I think we all have those sides. I mean, we're all itching to play certain characters or take out certain personality traits that have not been seen on screen or we've not portrayed before. तो इसमें I don't feel internalization at all. It wasn't in that kind of a process. It was more like the spontaneity was much more. There was more give and take in the scenes, and I think that's also because the genre kind of demanded it.
Okay, and Karthik, I think ये आपके लिए एक टेलर मेड फिल्म लग रही है in terms of from a box office perspective, and the response is fantastic. How important is it for you to get that validation? You know that this is something that people are going to buy the tickets and come in the theaters for.
I hope so. I think so. I mean, again, coming back to what we were speaking about, कि the response to the trailer has been so good, and that people are actually saying that कि ये एक फिल्म है, भूल भुलैया एक फिल्म है जो थिएटर्स में लोगों को लाने वाली है, और ये बहुत बड़ा स्टेटमेंट है हमारे लिए भी, एंड फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड कि ऐसा हो इस फिल्म में जितने ज़्यादा लोग जितनी टिकट्स लें, और फैमिली, क्योंकि इट्स अ फैमिली एंटरटेनर. बहुत टाइम बाद एक ऐसा वाइड फिल हो रहा है जो फैमिली एंटरटेनर्स का काफ़ी टाइम से ऐसी फिल्म नहीं बन रही थी, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ वन फिल्म विच विल ब्रिंग बैक द फैमिली ऑडियंस. एंड वो 2 टिकट नहीं, सीधा 4 टिकट या उससे ज़्यादा की टिकट्स आती हैं जब फैमिली ऑडियंस आपकी फिल्म देखने आती है. एंड आई हैड सीन दिस विद लुका छुपी और पति पत्नी, एंड यू नो वो दैट जोन. भूल भुलैया इज़ मच लार्जर देन लाइफ एक एस्पेक्ट भी है इसके अंदर. सो आई थिंक ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ सीक्वल, इट्स अ बिग फ्रेंचाइज जिसको हम आगे लेकर जा रहे हैं. सो आई थिंक होप्स भी बहुत बड़ी हैं हमारे ऊपर, एंड या मतलब कोई ऐसा प्रेशर अभी नहीं है, बिकॉज ट्रेलर एक बार अच्छे से जब चला जाता है तो आप रिलैक्स हो जाते हो दिमाग से.
तो अभी मैंने इसका जो भूल भुलैया का टाइटल ट्रैक है उसका भी मैंने म्यूज़िक वीडियो मैंने देखा, और इंटरेस्टिंगली क्या हो रहा है कि जैसे यू नो आपकी इमेज बन गई थी कि दैट मोनोलॉग की, और यू नो दैट लेवल ऑफ, बट लेकिन वो जिस तरीके से ग्रेजुअली आप एक एज अ डांसर भी जो उभर के आप आ रहे हैं,
जी सर,
वो भी खासा दिलचस्प मतलब वो है कि दीपिका पादुकोण आपके साथ में एयरपोर्ट पे भी डांस करती हैं, और इसमें भी आई थिंक यू नो द डांस मूव दे आर वेरी वेरी कूल. आई थिंक पीपल आर गोइंग टू रियली लाइक इट.
जिस तरीके का रेज ये गाना बन गया है, और आई एम रियली रियली ओवरवेल्म्ड विद द रिएक्शन एंड रिस्पॉन्स. अभी आई मीन अगर वो एक स्वैग की ज़रूरत थी, एक डांस मूव्स भी जो बॉस्को सर ने इसमें कोरियोग्राफी की थी, जिस तरीके से ये शूट भी हुआ है पूरा गाना, ये बहुत एक अलग तरीके से सबको करना था. एंड इट वाज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट सॉन्ग विच अनीस सर केप्ट सेइंग, एंड ऑल्सो बॉस्को सर. तो मन्नू सर, ऑल द एवरीवन इन्वॉल्व विद द सॉन्ग. सो वो एक अलग तरीके से उनको करना था, एंड फॉर मी इट वाज अगेन an opportunity to grab as an actor, as a performer basically. So वो अच्छे से करने की कोशिश की, जितने जो भी moves उनने दिए वो मैंने किए, and जिस तरीके का वो रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है, हाँ धीमे धीमे में भी बहुत काफ़ी ऐसा रिस्पॉन्स आया था बहुत बड़ा, एंड आई थिंक ये और भी बड़ा रिस्पॉन्स इसमें आया है. सो एंड इट्स अ बिग सॉन्ग फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस.
You know, one question I'll have for both of you. Now, both of you have experienced the big screen. I think Dhamaka is at the same time. Dhamaka, I think it's just like a rather organic word. At the same time, you've been extremely successful on the OTT platform as well. How do you look at this coexistence of both these platforms from here on?
Like you said, coexistence. That's what's happening.
Yeah.
I feel like I don't feel much of a difference. I feel like, I mean, like today we're promoting a film that's coming out in theaters, right? So naturally you feel that, oh, you're worried about box office. Actually 2 साल से हम box office के बारे में नहीं सोच रहे थे. So I think closer to the release of the film, we'll remember what that felt like. Now we're still like just getting into it and just started promotions. अभी बस trailer आया है and there's so much love for it. But even when we were promoting, I don't know about you, but this for me, like when we were promoting, say, Sher Shah for that matter, or even when I did Guilty, or you know, I've had films on that have been made for the platform. I feel like वो pressure वहाँ भी था, like that excitement, nervousness, जो भी, because as an artist, you're looking at how people receive your work. You want it to work.
In whatever way.
Yeah.
I mean, मैं भी add on करता हूँ इसमें कि that coexistence वाली जो चीज़ है, it's not or, it's an and, you know, कि it's theatres and platforms. सो इट्स गुड फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस दैट हमारे कंटेंट वी कैन चूज़ कि कहाँ पे कौन सा कंटेंट आ सकता है एंड कौन सी ऑडियंस के लिए स्पेसिफिक कंटेंट हम दे सकते हैं कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म में. सो विच वर्क्स फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस, परफॉर्मर्स, द मेकर्स एंड द ऑडियंसेस. So I think the coexistence word is the word.
Correct. And maybe I think each content will ideally should have the right release.
Absolutely.
That's something that people need to understand.
Exactly.
We've taken a few YouTube comments on the trailer of Bhool Bhulaiya. I think let's see that what people are saying. It's pretty interesting. This is Shreyas Koshari. Love that they kept the title song and Ami J Tomar in this film. Nostalgic, and also the fact that they didn't try to remix that in a weird way. Original always looks beautiful. Awaiting to see the film on May 20th. Neeraj Sridhar has sung the Hare Ram
The
song,
original also, and
which
this
is
time
beautiful.
also.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, that was the intent, to not to remix it a lot, not to change the. I mean, जब एक म्यूजिक और एक इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन अच्छा बना हुआ है तो उसको छेड़ना नहीं चाहिए. दैट्स द होल पॉइंट ऑफ इट. एंड उससे एक नॉस्टैल्जिया भी क्रिएट अपने आप होता है व्हेन यू यूज द सेम आर्टिस्ट हु हैज संग द ओरिजिनल. आई थिंक दैट्स द मेन पॉइंट विद भूल भुलैया 2's म्यूजिक ऑल्सो, कि जो उसकी ओरिजिनलिटी को भी रखते हुए, इट्स नॉट अ रीमेक, इट्स अ सीक्वल, इट्स अ न्यू फिल्म कम्प्लीटली, बट नॉस्टैल्जिया एलिमेंट्स के लिए ऑफ कोर्स जो उसके कुछ कुछ पोर्शंस थे, चाहे वो म्यूजिक हो, टाइटल है एंड कैरेक्टर्स नेम्स कुछ ऐसे हैं, तो उनको रखते हुए एक नॉस्टैल्जिया क्रिएट किया गया है. सो सेम गोज विद द म्यूजिक कि नीरज सर ने उसको बहुत ही अच्छे से गाया था उस टाइम, एंड इट बिकेम अ रेज, एंड राइट नाउ आल्सो इट्स डूइंग द सेम थिंग. सेम गोज फॉर अभी बाकी, एंड प्रीतम दा ने म्यूजिक को उस टाइम क्रिएट किया था, जो इसके भी हमारे भी कंपोजर.
Right, which is amazing. Okay, this is Kalyani Mehare, and so Kiara, this is for you. Kartik Aaryan should not kiss on screen. I really feel jealous.
She feels jealous.
Kiara, why did you kiss him? This is Kalyani.
That's what I was asking. This is
Don't worry, it's on camera, it's real, it's not real. So she can meet Kartik Aaryan whenever she wants. It's was necessary in the scene.
Right, but you know, it's being said that with Ranbir and Vicky and I think everyone getting married now, so Kartik Aaryan is the most eligible bachelor. But are you single by any chance? Yeah.
Yes sir, I'm single.
Right.
अभी मैं सिंगल ही हूँ. हाँ, एंड अभी मतलब of course I'm concentrating on my work and I'm enjoying my life. I'm enjoying this phase in my career.
This is Siddharth Nagar. If anyone should star in Akshay Kumar's film's remake, it should be Kartik. Their laughing style is same. I know Kartik will nail this too. I think this is a good observation.
Similarity, I have to say.
That's a good observation. Even I think your mouth structure, I think it's somewhat similar.
And I've worked with
The way-
both. There's a vibe.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. हंसूंगा तो लगेगा वही है. But no, it's a compliment, big compliment. And I've grown up. I've said this before also. I've grown up watching his films, and he's been a superstar since years, since the time he started to now, and or आगे भी. So it's a great compliment for someone like me, and मैं अपना भी लेकिन एक यूनिक स्टाइल क्रिएट करना चाहता हूँ. अपना भी जितनी भी फिल्म्स करता हूँ उसमें कुछ न्यूएंसेस डालने की कोशिश करता हूँ. बट ठीक है, वो सिमिलैरिटी कभी कभी अगर आती भी है तो आई मीन आई एंजॉय इट. आई फील गुड अबाउट इट.
Great. This is Ashwin Kamath. Kiara तो मुझे मंजुलिका के रूप में भी प्यारी ही लगती है. See how much I love you, Kiara. Insta से please DM चेक करो यार request.
क्या किया?
so basically he wanted you to tell me his name so that I can check my DMs.
Ashwin Kamath, yeah.
अश्विन कामत, मैं डेफिनेटली इंस्टा पे जाके ढूंढूंगी आपको अभी.
नहीं, बट ये जो उन्होंने कहा कियारा तो मुझे मंजुलिका के रूप में भी प्यारी ही लगती है.
First time somebody is saying that. I think he must truly.
प्यारी चुड़ैल.
Thank you, प्यारी चुड़ैल.
प्यारी चुड़ैल.
उसी मोमेंट में लगी होगी.
दिस इज शमाल दमानी. ये तो बहुत बड़ा रिस्क लिया इन्होंने. ट्रेलर ने तो बाजी मार ली, बट आई कैन फील कार्तिक को इतना प्रेशर रहा होगा अक्षय को रोल करने में. रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस. और अब सोशल मीडिया पे कुछ लोग कंपैरिजन के ट्वीट शुरू कर देंगे.
आई थिंक मेरे लिए ये अपॉर्चुनिटी था मोर देन प्रेशर. और आई मीन हम हमेशा वेट करते हैं कि अच्छी फिल्म मिले, अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले एज परफॉर्मर्स एंड भूल भुलैया 2 के साथ वो चीज़ थी सो आई टुक इट लाइक आई ग्रैब्ड इट लाइक एन अपॉर्चुनिटी तो एंड मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया ये शूट करके मैं एक्चुअली टाइटल से भी ज़्यादा मैं फिल्म पे जा रहा था कि कौन सी फिल्म क्या फिल्म बना रहे एंड आई रियली इन्जॉयड वर्किंग इन इट सो मेरे दिमाग में कभी वो प्रेशर नहीं आया कि मैं इनफैक्ट बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहा था कि मैं ऐसी फिल्म कर रहा हूँ जिसकी ऑफ कोर्स जिसकी स्क्रिप्ट इस तरीके की है इसमें व्हाटएवर ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स आते हैं कॉमिकल है एंड मुझे ऐसी फैमिली एंटरटेनर्स करने में मज़ा आता है सो दैट वाज द होल पॉइंट सो ऐसा कुछ प्रेशर नहीं था इनफैक्ट आई एम फीलिंग रियली रियली हैप्पी अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म
फैमिली एंटरटेनर एज अनीस बाज़मी सेज कि जो लुधियाना से लेकर लंदन तक देखी जाए
लुधियाना से लंदन तक का पूरा ऑडियंस है
But you know, it's and I think he said it rightly. It's very easy to make a film for a certain audience, but it's difficult to make a film for a vast audience. It's
Yeah.
tough.
It is very tough.
completely
And I think that's why, like he said, as actors, it's very rare. I mean, see, you get scripts where as you get characters to play which are so exciting, but then sometimes they go into a certain.
More niche
there's
हो
this,
जाता
it becomes not even niche. Sometimes it's made for a certain
Set of
audience, and
audience,
yeah, and
yeah.
some you can't. Not all films have that
Vast audience.
that
Wide
capacity
range.
for an entire family to watch it together and to be, like he said, Ludhiana to London.
Yeah.
So I feel even for me as an actor, I just felt like I wanted to make a film or be a part of a film where everyone can come and watch this film.
Right. Which is great. Okay, this is Aditya Dhaya. We'll take one more comment each. This is Aditya Dhaya. मैं 2 बार देखूंगा फिल्म. एक बार कियारा के लिए, दूसरी बार स्टोरी के लिए.
I hope we make him proud.
भैया जी
No, but I think जब आप देखोगे आप completely story में ही you'll enjoy that because सिर्फ मुझे देखने के लिए how sweet. Thank you.
बेसिकली क्या रहा है कहना चाह रही हैं कि आप डेफिनेटली आइए और दूसरी बार भी आप
अरे,
आइए
for whatever,
और
मेरे
दोनों
लिए
बार आप
कार्तिक
सिर्फ
की
मुझे
story
देखिए.
कोई भी
के लिए-
रीजन पे
कोई भी
आइए
reason
आप
के लिए
बस
आ
आओ
जाओ,
आप बस फिल्म
basically,
देखने आ
yeah.
जाओ भैया जी
All right. Okay. So we
मिलवा देंगे कियारा जी आपको
We move on to a couple of fun segments. We have this quiz basically on how well do both of you guys know Bhool Bhulaiya 1.
अरे,
I can give you options as well if you
Not
want.
me.
हाँ
Then
Okay.
one team.
Let me complete the options, please.
Okay.
Okay. And
I think he's saying that for me because the last time I played this game I just answered.
मुझे नहीं
It's
पता
like-
वो वेजिटेबल्स के
Options
बारे
no,
में
in fact, Shahid
That's
recently
why.
said in the interview that Kiara was so quick.
He was like, चुप बैठ यार तू क्या कर रही है? Options तो बोल
आई
दे.
एम जनरली गुड विद रैपिड फायर ये वाले में मैं शायद से अभी
नहीं
से
मजा आएगा मजा आएगा
confused हूँ.
it's pretty okay this is very easy questions so please let me complete all the options and then you go for it okay options complete नहीं होंगे तो फिर वो invalid हो जाएगा
मैं आज तक इनके हर बार स्पीकर जीता हूँ आज हार जाऊँ आज मुझे लगता है
नहीं आप I think both of you have a good
Speaker
chance
आज
so
नहीं।
Bhool Bhulaiya was released in first half of 2007 second half of 2007 first half of 2008 second half of 2008
फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ 2008
एक
Second half.
सेकंड हाफ ऑफ
No,
2007
that's not right. I was saying.
अच्छा
हाँ
हाँ
second half
तो
of
दोनों में से डिसाइड कर रही
Second half of either. You say first half. I say ना तेरा ना मेरा.
Pick one.
First half,
एक
second
उन्होंने-
half.
सेकंड हाफ ऑफ 2007 मैं बोलता हूँ
I'll say first. No.
मैं बोल देता हूँ सेकंड हाफ ऑफ 2007
तो लेकिन आपने
Change
पहले
your
2008 भी बोला था
नहीं वो
You
मैं
can't.
मैंने तभी तो चेंज कर दिया था जब वो
नहीं,
सेकंड
आपको एक आपका
अच्छा,
ऑप्शन
चलो,
हो गया
frankly,
एक
I
ऑप्शन
don't-
आप
I will-
एक ऑप्शन आप लीजिए एक
एक
ऑप्शन
ले ले
Second
चाहे तो
half
वही ले
of
ले
2008.
ओ सेकंड हाफ 2007
Second half 2007.
अरे
So basically we'll have to cancel this because you guys have taken all the options.
नहीं
So
सेकंड
it
हाफ
is-
ऑफ 2007
नहीं आपने लेकिन पहले 2008 बोला था.
एक ही बार बोल के
Let's be
change-
fair. It is answer is second half of 2007.
जो मैं actually बोलने वाली थी.
हाँ.
जिसने ले लिया.
हाँ ये अभी कैंसिल हो जाता
2008
है.
में भी तूने 8
मैंने
बोल
ऐसे
दिया
बोल दिया because you said. but ठीक है.
ये
चलो.
कैंसिल हो जाता है तो we move to next one.
Fine.
We move to next one.
I hate losing these games.
Siddharth Akash Shaini Ahuja lived in which country? Singapore.
America. Oh, I was not supposed to answer before. Sorry.
You're not supposed to
Sorry,
answer
sorry.
it. So
ये
this
पता था
is
मुझे।
in
But
this
बता
goes-
दो, was I
पता था।
right?
It's right. You're
I
right.
was right now.
You're
I
right.
mean, but I
You're
was
right.
right.
easy था
But
Give me 1-5. I was right. I know.
हाँ,
I.
नहीं यू आर राइट बट लेकिन हमें इसको वो करना पड़ेगा
Zero,
रिक्वेस्ट
zero.
इज हाँ रिक्वेस्ट इज कि प्लीज लेट इट कंप्लीट
पहले option.
लेट मी
Sorry,
कंप्लीट द
sorry, I'm
ऑप्शन इट्स अ
very bad
रिक्वेस्ट
at this.
व्हाट वाज द प्रोफेशन ऑफ विद्या बालन आका अवनी इंजीनियर आर्किटेक्ट डॉक्टर आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट
Architect. Archaeologist. Archaeologist.
ऑप्शंस क्या है
Engineer, architect, doctor, archaeologist.
Archaeologist.
So you already said something else.
But I said na
Yeah.
second.
No, but
But then I will give the first answer. Okay, one second.
ये वाला तो
Let's
मेरा
एक
है।
second. The
ये तो
first
मेरा
answer you're
point
giving me the point because I
No,
said.
but you never
What am I
said
getting?
you never said second half of
I'm not
2007.
ये वाला
आपने
वाला।
कहा नहीं
I'm
था.
not playing like this.
आपने कहा नहीं था तो वो अगर आपने कहा होता जब मैंने आपसे ऑप्शन मांगा तो आपने 2008 बोला.
Okay.
So I gave you the chance, but you said 2008.
Take the point.
So I think 1-0. He's ahead by 1 point.
Fine. Okay, fine. I'll redeem myself.
Bhool Bhulaiya was based on the film Mani Chitrala Zoo. What was the language of that film? Let me complete. Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil.
Malayalam.
She's right.
He's right.
1-1.
Actually, I think I would have won this full round.
1-1. Okay.
1-1.
Which of the following actors was not a part of Bhool Bhulaiya? Asrani, Manoj Joshi, Shakti Kapoor, Vikram Gokhale.
Shakti Kapoor.
Actually,
We're
both
so
of
in
you
sync.
said together. It was like
2-2.
really, it can't be even said.
2-2.
2-2. Which of the following songs is not part of Bhool Bhulaiya? Not part of. लबों को लबों पे मस्त कलंदर अल्लाह हाफिज कह रहा लेट्स रॉक सोनिया.
Must calendar.
Once again, both together. 3-3.
We're very in sync. We know.
Okay, this is getting interesting. Okay.
अरे यार.
राधा को बाधा हुई है मंजुलिका की. Who says this dialogue to राजपाल यादव, आकाश छोटे पंडित? अक्षय कुमार, असरानी, मनोज जोशी, परेश रावल.
परेश रावल.
You want to take a guess?
Okay, I'll just because you said I'll say Akshay Kumar.
असरानी.
असरानी असरानी.
It's a very famous dialogue actually.
Yeah.
मैं गलत बोल दिया क्योंकि
I think हाँ ये असरानी जीतता है. Okay, still 3-3. It's still I
बाधा हो गई ये
think
तो.
we still have a few questions. Okay.
No.
थोड़ा टिपिकल सा है. इतना सुसु लाते कहाँ से हो तुम? हमारे पास तो इतना नहीं
अक्षय
हो.
कुमार.
Yeah. You have to
But ये
finish.
ठीक है ना for
नहीं but
He didn't finish, so we can't take
you,
it.
give
we
it to
cannot. We'll have to cancel it.
Cancel.
So, let it complete. आपने you could have got it.
It's more fun.
Which
Yeah,
mental disorder?
Takak.
Which mental disorder did Avni have in Bhool Bhulaiya? Asperger's syndrome, dyslexia, dissociative identity disorder, post-traumatic stress disorder.
Dissociative identity disorder.
किस किस्म का synchronization है? 4-all.
Do we have a tiebreaker?
No, you still have
many more
1,
questions, okay,
2.
okay.
There are still 2 more questions. Whose name was Batu Shankar in film Bhool Bhulaiya? Rajpal Yadav, Manoj Joshi, Vikram Gokhale, Paresh Rawal.
You take this one.
Huh?
You take this one. I'm gonna give this to you as a gift.
No, don't gift it.
Acha, Paresh Rawal.
She's right. She's right.
I
5-4.
was giving it to you.
मैंने कहा कर लो.
ठीक
But
है,
you knew
last है अभी. या तो tie या तो नहीं.
You knew it.
नहीं.
5-4. So let's see if any of you can possibly tie this. Which of the following songs from Bhool Bhulaiya is sung by KK? Bhool Bhulaiya title track, Let's Rock Sonia, Mere Dholna, Labon Ko
लबों
Labon
को.
Pe.
वही fourth option था.
Yeah, so I think
Yeah.
he's right. So it's basically 5-all now. Okay,
Tiebreaker पे
so
लाना.
you know I'll give you
You last.
I'll give you like a जिसको कहते हैं ना
Tiebreaker
tiebreaker question.
हाँ.
I won't give you options. You don't need it.
Okay.
अरे
Okay.
Trust
It's just
me, we
that
need it.
one of you has to say it
Faster.
faster.
अरे
Okay,
यार.
and we'll notice that who's saying it.
हाँ?
Okay. Who's the director of Bhool Bhulaiya?
I knew she would ask.
अब ये question पूरा होना था लेकिन.
नहीं,
he
but-
said was faster. I knew he was going to ask. I was going to say it before
See,
we started.
you know-
rule ही नहीं, ये rule
See how
follow नहीं किया इसने, बताया नहीं
She
rule.
was like मैं गिफ्ट कर दूं. ये tactics है इनकी.
Gift
ये
कर
आपको बेसिकली पहले तो रिलैक्स करती हैं कि that she'll let you.
I don't know why I get so competitive in these games.
Why?
You'll notice now.
Why?
The first interview we started. I have to relax. I don't know.
Why did you
I
relax
love
me?
all these
Why did you
games.
relax me?
But that was, I
relaxed.
think, incredible. That was really incredible.
But we were both
So,
good also.
We were both good.
In a way.
If
Almost.
Karthik
I'll
can
give
please
it to her.
hand it over to her.
I want to give this.
You are gifting it
Yeah.
to me. So we'll keep it.
No, but you take it later. आपको जो करना है.
ऐसे रख लो, ऐसे.
We can't. That's
हाँ,
not
but वो
We will start with the gentleman if you allow.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
नहीं start with us.
No. I won the last round, so I want you to start.
नहीं एक बार करना चाहिए.
Right.
नहीं.
We'll start with the gentleman.
थोड़ी
Yes,
देर
please,
next
gentlemen.
start.
थोड़ा मेरे order में आ जाएगा.
Start.
Okay, so rapid fire with Karthik Aryan. If Karthik Aryan had to charm Manjulika, what would he do?
I would just say अमीजे तुम्हार शुद्धो जो तुम्हार और हक कर लेता उसको. हाँ,
Okay.
doesn't make sense.
I would have loved to see him do this in the
I would have done तांडव in front of her. अमीजे तुम्हारे पे तांडव कर लेता.
Your character claims that he can see dead people.
हाँ.
If you also had the same power, whom would you like to see?
That's a dark question. Very dark question. Can't name actor.
You're going really dark.
That's
for it,
really
no?
dark. I would. No, I'll just pass it. I'll just pass this one.
Okay. Okay. Any
Can be
any similar sounding word for Antaryami?
हरामी.
Just like your character in Bhool Bhulaiya 2, अगर इन लोगों की आत्मा आपके अंदर आ गई तो आप सबसे पहले क्या करना चाहेंगे? कियारा आडवाणी.
मैं अपने कॉम्पिटिटर को रिलैक्स करवाना चाहूँगा. सबसे पहले उसको रिलैक्स हो जाए. उसको रिलैक्स. सुबह उठते ही क्या करना चाहोगे? वो भी बोल.
जैसा आप चाहें.
नहीं, अरे
बोलना.
बोलना. सुबह उठते ही अपना फ़ोन चेक करना चाहूँगी. सुबह उठते ऐसा कुछ नहीं अपना.
You want to check my phone?
हाँ, ये ले.
She doesn't want you to check. it.
ऐसा नहीं. ऐसा नहीं.
वो क्लीन करके रखेंगी. कृति सैनन.
आई डोंट नो. वर्कआउट आजकल वो बहुत वर्कआउट वीडियोस डाल रही है, तो शायद उठते ही वर्कआउट करने चला जाऊँगा. नॉट अ ग्रेट आंसर. व्हाट शुड आई डू? अगर
वक्त लग रहा है आपको जवाब देने में कृति करी तो.
नहीं, वक्त नहीं लग रहा. मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि अगर मैं कृति बन जाऊँ एक दिन के लिए तो मैं
You'll go and work out.
तो मैं नो देन आई मीन शी इज़ अ वेरी डिसिप्लिन्ड गर्ल, तो आई थिंक आई गो एंड आई मीन स्क्रिप्ट्स पढ़ती रहूँगी. कुछ
Scripts पढ़- ठीक.
बहुत स्क्रिप्ट्स पढ़ती है.
Okay. All right. अनन्या पांडे.
I would travel a lot. She loves traveling. I would start traveling. Yeah.
Right.
I would do yoga. Yeah. She's into yoga, I guess.
Okay. राजपाल यादव.
भूतों से डरूंगा. If it's छोटा पंडित, but I guess. तो
I think he's hilarious.
yeah.
He is hilarious.
मेरे जोक बेटर हो जाएंगे.
नहीं, I think आपके जोक्स अच्छे हैं. If Donald Trump asks you why do you think मेरे tweets उल्टे होते हैं, what would you say to him?
Check your Twitter account.
I'm just imagining him asking you that
Aru.
question with that. Never mind.
कार्तिक,
Yeah.
मेरे ट्वीट उल्टे होते हैं. I think I would just say that. Check your Twitter account. Does he have a Twitter account now?
It's been
That's
cancelled.
fine.
That's why.
It's been cancelled.
That's why.
You never know, it may be revived.
Yeah.
Apart from Kiara, ऐसी कौन सी एक्ट्रेस है जिनकी आंखों की भूल भुलैया में आप खो सकते हैं?
No one.
Oh.
सिर्फ Kiara.
See, he knows that
Right.
he's gone first. So now he's
अरे
made sure
नहीं,
that I
ऐसा
was
कुछ नहीं सोचा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
and the bar.
Right.
Correct.
सुनसान सड़क पे at midnight if you meet a girl, आप सबसे पहले क्या चेक करेंगे? उसका
पैर.
फेस या उसके फीट?
उसका क्या क्या बोला आपने?
फीट या फेस?
क्या क्या बोला मतलब?
उसके पैर.
Okay.
Actually, मैं ऐसे चेक तो नहीं करूंगा. रियल लाइफ में ऐसे नहीं चेक करूंगा पैर. बट हाँ, भूल भुलैया के वर्ल्ड में पैर चेक कर लेता. बट रियल लाइफ में मैं
Face.
मतलब चेकआउट कर रहा हूँ. क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? हाँ, मतलब बस मेरे को किसी को चेक करना है. दोनों में से ऑप्शन यही है, तो फेस चेक कर.
फेस चेक करेंगे. Okay. And any plans of getting into like a metaverse or something of Bhool Bhulaiya?
नहीं, नॉट इट.
Okay, well it can be pretty interesting if you want to try that. Okay, if Kriti Sanon and Kiara Advani are competing each other in two different competitions, what would be the one competition that Kiara has high chances of winning, and what is that one competition where Kriti has high chances of winning?
Say.
अरे से
You know you worked with both.
ऐसे थोड़ी. I think Kiara would win in. Okay, I'll make it work. मेरे को कुछ दिनों से पता चला है that she's a big foodie.
Me.
हाँ, हाँ. तो ये खाना खाने में ये जीत जाएगी. कृति सोचती बहुत है. ओवर थिंकिंग में वो जीत जाएगी.
That's a good point. She thinks,
She thinks a lot. हाँ. बहुत इतना कि वो
Right.
खाना बहुत खाती है. बहुत
दिखता तो नहीं.
नहीं चढ़ता नहीं है नहीं she works out a lot she disciplined that way
Right.
but good ना good
Yeah.
ये फंसाने वाला जो सवाल
Apart from Akshay Kumar, who was your most favorite character from Bhul Bhulaiya?
और छोटा पंडित राजपाल से
Yeah.
Great. Okay, so I think he has done pretty well.
थैंक यू सर
Rapid fire with Kiara Advani.
गुड चाइल्ड
You were good.
गुड किड
Kiara, तेरी आंखें भूल भुलैया. Which actor you'd like to dedicate these lyrics to?
Ru Baba. Why would we dedicate it to anybody else when we are in this film?
So you think that he has got
Yeah,
Bhul
he's
Bhulaiya type of
dancing to
eyes.
the song. He's killed it in the song. So,
Uh,
Karthik.
and do you think he's hot?
I mean, like, even if I didn't, I don't think I'd say no on camera. But I think he's hot. He's very hot, yeah.
If you encounter a ghost in real life, what would be your first reaction?
एनकाउंटर अ घोस्ट
I think I'll be like dumbfounded and like I'll go white in the face. I'll freak out now. What else?
Of course. What is the one quality you find common between Karthik and Akshay as co-stars?
They both have a great sense of humor on and off screen.
Manjalika's looks or her voice, what scares you more?
Manjalika's voice.
दैट्स स्कैरी
Yeah.
मेरे ढोलना और लबों को लबों पे favorite song from Bhul Bhulaiya.
This is really tough, but I'll say Mere Dholna. Also, yeah, you'll know why when you watch the film. But Laboko is a beautiful song. So
beautiful.
it's tough.
It's a
It's a very
very
tough
good song.
choice.
Yeah, it's a very nice song. Yeah.
But for sentimental reasons, Mere Dholna.
All right, 3 tips to girls who want to marry Karthik Aaryan.
Give, I'll tell. You tell, I'll tell.
मैं खुद मेरे को नहीं पता
He doesn't know what he wants.
दैट इज योर क्वेश्चन ना अभी
Okay,
मैं
3 tips to girls.
As
Want
per
to
your
marry Karthik.
assessment, yeah.
Acha.
What have you assessed?
Yeah,
Abhi tak?
okay.
Don't
okay.
assess now.
Okay, okay. So, like, should I give fun tips or should I give like real tips?
Good real one.
Real ones.
That will
Okay.
work better.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you're listening,
पता
guys,
कोई सुन ले।
वही तो. So if you're listening, guys,
हाँ.
Karthik wants a girl who is very romantic,
Correct.
who knows how to balance
Correct.
life and work and personal life. And third, see na, I'll tell.
सेम ही है बताते जो ऐसे ही होता
And who has a good sense of humor.
है. Great.
A good sense of humor.
Yeah.
And if she knows how to cook well, does that count?
Then he'll add some more. This one's Swayam.
I can cook.
You can cook.
Yeah,
for her.
yeah, yeah, I
You'll
know
cook
how
for
to
her.
So he likes someone who can eat,
हाँ who can eat?
who enjoys food.
हाँ,
Who enjoys food? Great. Okay. If you have to impress Karthik in just 30 seconds, which actress's spirit you'd wish you enters your body?
बोल सकती हूँ मैं.
Question.
If I have to impress Karthik, which
जी.
actresses
Spirit.
spirit? Actresses, हाँ?
No, no, actress
एक ही.
apostrophe.
एक ही.
But actresses भी बोल सकते
बोल सकते हैं बिल्कुल आपका बहुत अच्छा भी
क्योंकि okay, no, because I love all of them. I won't say. Oh God, who's your favorite?
Keep it to your thing only. That कियारा की आत्मा ही रखते हैं ना
अच्छा.
फिर किसी और की आत्मा क्यों चाहिए?
अच्छा चलो टब्बू की आत्मा आ जाए.
Yeah.
चल सुना promote everyone.
She's हाँ.
Tabu. That's it.
Good mix.
Okay. At the midnight, if you hear a scary
Tabu and
sound.
कियारा you're saying.
At the midnight, if you hear a scary sound, would you go and check, or would you lock yourself in your bedroom?
I always, if I hear scary sounds, kabhi, you never know, some random sound, नीचे से some गाड़ी वाला, I always wake up. I won't lock myself, and I'll unlock myself, कि पता नहीं if I have to run away or something. Yeah, so I won't lock myself. I don't know if I'll check if I have so much energy at night to get up and check, but
कोई आवाज
मैं शायद एक light on करके वापस हो जाऊँगी.
If a 10-year-old girl asks you चुड़ैल के feet उल्टे क्यों होते हैं, what would you tell her?
कि इसलिए होते बेटा ताकि हमें पता हो कि कौन इंसान है कौन चुड़ैल है.
All right. Okay.
चलिए सब मिथ ना मैंने तो नहीं देखी.
Name an actress which following actors share the best on-screen chemistry with, as per you.
Name an
according to you.
actress who these actors you named share come. Okay.
Okay. Karthik Aaryan, apart from you.
I think Kriti, y'all have done Dukha Chuppi and yeah.
Okay. Akshay Kumar.
On-screen chemistry. I was going to say his wife Twinkle.
Real बता दीजिए.
No, I was going to say Twinkle, but then you specified like. I really love like Akshay and Twinkle ma'am have like a
Yeah,
really fun
that's
banter like
that's
whenever you
really
see
amazing,
them.
yeah.
So I like their Yeah, it's a
But
cool.
अगर हम on
Okay,
screen
on
की-
screen, Katrina Kaif.
Okay, Salman Khan.
I have to say actress only. I loved Salman Sir and Govinda and Partner. Can't I just say like an actor?
ठीक है. That's your.
Why not?
Your.
Yeah.
That's innovative. That's an innovative
They were
answer.
so cool in
They were amazing.
Partner.
They
Yeah.
were amazing.
Opposite to the question, but
It's okay.
But I think she has innovated. You know,
okay,
वो भी-
yeah,
वो
really
भी-
fun.
हाँ, she has innovated.
no actors
Hrithik
were
Roshan.
done.
Hrithik Roshan,
हाँ जी.
Aishwarya Rai. I think they have very like Greek hotness. They look really amazing together
Right.
in Dhoom. Yeah.
So I think I think both of you have done extremely well in the rapid fire,
Share it.
and I think maybe you can.
I think
but
mine
मुझे
had more
लगता है
fire.
Slightly more fire,
And it was
I
more
think
rapid?
more rapid.
I think that was
To
it.
be-
Forget fire, but
yeah.
it's definitely more rapid. Karthik.
Yeah, slightly more rapid, and so I think मुझे लगता है कि that
I
Kiara
want
has a slight
two
edge.
speakers
Two
today.
speakers.
Thank you so
ऐसे कुछ
much.
नहीं।
Two
Thank
speakers
you.
we got.
All right, so Karthik and Kiara, congratulations for Bhool Bhulaiya. I
Thank
think it
you.
looks like a winner. All the best wishes, and I'm sure that it's going to rock. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir. Thank you so much.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, I'm Karthik Aryan.
Hi, I'm Kiara Advani, and you're watching us on Bollywood Hungama with Faridoon. Keep on watching.